Good morning everyone. Question number 8 of exercise 7.3. Ramesh had 20 pencils, Shilu had 50 pencils and Jamal had 80 pencils in total. After 4 months, Ramesh used up 10 pencils, Shilu used up 25 pencils and Jamal used up 40 pencils. What fraction did each use up? So first of all we solve this question. So Ramesh used up 10 by 20 pencils, because in place of denominator we have to write the total and in place of numerator the used up pencils. So 10 by 20. So we can convert it to simplest fraction also, but first of all we will write all the fractions, then we will do. Shilu used up 25 pencils, so the fraction Shilu used up will be 25 by 50. And Jamal had 80 pencils and used up 40 pencils, so you can write the fraction as 40 by 80. Now if we convert the fraction to its simplest form, then we have to cut this 10 by 2, so we will get 5. 20 by 2, 10. Again we can cut it by 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So from here we will get half. 25 and 50 also we can cut. 25, if we want to do directly, then we can cut 25 by 25, we will get 1, and 25 into 2 is 50. So from here also we will get half. You can cut both of these by 5 also. Now 40 by 80, we can divide 40 by 2, so 20, 80 by 2 it will be 40, then again we can divide it by 2, 10, 20, again we can divide it by 2, 5, 10, again we can divide it by 5, 1, 2. So from here we will get half. So from each fraction we are getting half to its simplest form. So from here we can say each has used up equal fraction of his or her pencil. Question number 9. Match the equivalent fractions and write 2 more of each. So I am just matching. No need to do this 2 more of each. I am doing up to this only. Match the equivalent fraction. So if we consider this one, 250 by 400, whenever you have zeros in the ones places, both of the numbers have zeros, then we can cut it by 10. Okay, otherwise if we start doing dividing the numbers by smaller number, that means from 2 if we start, then it will take longer time to solve. So whenever you have 0 in the ones place, you can divide it by 10. So 250, if we divide it by 10, then we will get 25. If we divide 400 by 10, we will get 40. Now we can divide it by 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40. So 5 by 8, 1 will be matching with D. So these are equivalent fraction. Again, question number 2, 180 by 200. Here also we can divide both of it by 10. So here we will get 18, here we will get 20. Now we can divide it by 2, 9 by 10. So point number 2 will be matching with E. These are equivalent fraction. Question number 3, 660, 990. Here also we can divide it by 10, 66 by 99. Now we can divide this by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Now we can divide both the numbers by 11. So 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33. So 2 by 3. So this question number 3 will be matching with A, 2 by 3. Question number 4, 180 by 360. Here also we can divide both of these by 10. So 80 by 18 by 36. Now we can divide it by 2. 9 2s are 18. 18 2s are 36. Now we can divide both of these by 9 directly. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. So half. So 4 will be matching with C. Question number 5, 220 by 550. Here also we can divide both of these by 10. So 22 by 55. Now we can divide both of these by 11. So 11 2s are 22, 11 5s are 55. 2 by 5. So point number 5 will be matching with B. Like fractions. Now like fractions are what? Fractions with same denominators are called like fraction. Whatever the numerator may be, numerator means the upper part, denominator means the lower part. So if the fractions have same denominator, then these are like fraction. If I write 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 7 by 10, then these are like fraction. If I write 1 by 10, 2 by 45, 2 by 36, 1 by 90, then these are unlike fractions because denominators are different, not equal. Comparing fractions. So whenever we will compare the fractions, that which is greater, which is smaller, we compare the fraction, compare the like fractions or comparing the unlike fraction. So how we will compare the like fraction? Whenever we have like fractions, suppose we have here 3 by 8 and 5 by 8. Like fraction means denominators are same. So we will check the numerator, which is greater here. In between 3 and 5, which is greater? 5 is greater, so 5 by 8 is greater. Whenever we compare the like fraction, we just need to compare the numerators of the fraction. For the unlike fraction, we will discuss it later. So let us start the exercise. Seven point 4, question number 1, write shaded portion as fraction, arrange them in ascending and descending order using correct sign in between the fractions. So this one will be what? Question number A. This one will be 3 by 8. This one will be 6 by 8. This one is 4 by 8. This one is 1 by 8. All are like fraction because denominators are equal. Now we will write it as ascending order, that means smaller to greater. So smaller is 1 by 8, then 3 by 8, then 4 by 8, then 6 by 8. And descending order will be 6 by 8 is greater than 4 by 8, is greater than 3 by 8, is greater than 1 by 8. That means it is decreasing, and ascending means increasing. So in this way we have to do. This is the ascending and this is the descending. The next one, question number B. This one, the shaded portions, the fraction of this will be 8 by 9. This one will be 4 by 9. This one is 3 by 9 and this one is 6 by 9. Ascending order will be smaller to greater. Smaller is 3 by 9, then a bit greater is 4 by 9, then a bit greater is 6 by 9, then greater is 8 by 9. And the descending order will be 8 by 9, 8 by 9 is greater than 6 by 9 is greater than 4 by 9 is greater than 3 by 9. So this is the ascending order and this is the descending order. Question number C, show 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6 and 6 by 6 on number line. You can do it yourself. I have discussed how to put the fraction on number line. Now the next one is put appropriate signs between the given fractions. So the fractions given are 5 by 6 and 2 by 6, like fractions because denominators are same. We have to compare the numerator. Here the numerators are 5 and 2. 5 is greater than 2. That means 5 by 6 is greater than 2 by 6. The next one is 3 by 6 and 0. 0 can be written as 0 by 6. So 0 by 6 means 0. So 3 by 6 and 0 by 6 are like fraction. Now we have to compare the numerator. 3 and 0, which is greater? 3 is greater. So 3 by 6 is greater than 0 by 6. 1 by 6 and 6 by 6 like fraction, which is greater? 6 by 6 is greater. 8 by 6 and 5 by 6, which is greater? 8 by 6 is greater because like fraction.